Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Get ready to take your espresso or coffee or hot beverage to the next level with these gorgeous double-walled espresso cups. These are from WEECHUNG, and I am absolutely in love with how elegant they are and just how well they keep my beverages hot. This is a set of 2 cups, and they hold about 2 shots of espresso plus milk, so you can definitely enjoy your lattes or cappuccinos to the fullest. They are a beautiful double-walled cup, and you can see that the bottom, it has that beautiful borosilicate glass that holds the beverages. Everything looks super pretty once you place it in here. They have a really nice double-walled glass exterior, so they keep the beverages nice and hot. And I really appreciate that the handle is wide enough so that it's very comfortable while you're drinking. In addition, these glasses are dishwasher safe and microwave safe, so you don't have to worry. And they're also wide-mouthed enough that you can wash them by hand with no problem. These glasses definitely make you feel as if you're in a cafe in Europe while you're drinking. You can really enjoy your hot beverages to the fullest, whether it's coffee or tea, whatever you decide. You will definitely be enjoying them so much with these beautiful glasses. And that's my point of view.